back to my channel. So I wanted to let you guys know that I am outside. I usually don't film outside. You guys always see me, I have my setup going on, but for today's video I wanted to start out today, first day of December, actually making some Vlogmas videos for you guys. I wanted to make these videos for you guys all December long because now I've gotten a little bit of break from my schedule, and I thought it'd be a great time to show you guys everything I do that I normally wouldn't make a video for, because I necessarily don't make videos for everything that I do because I don't vlog. So what's exciting is, guys, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm going to be vlogging some days for you guys for December. I'm also just going to be showing you guys a few things that I'm doing to just show you guys some of my routine, some of the things that I do that I necessarily wouldn't show on this channel. Now guys, something exciting that I am doing as well, I do have a little bit of an announcement for you guys, so stay till the end of the video so you'll see what I'm going to do. How many of you guys have this Target section in y'all place? Cause if I had money, they would get like all my money. These figures are everything. You guys can see them. How nice is that? They have like so many other things here. It as well. Pennywise man.
About my book, The Storyteller. It's a collection of memories from behind the microphone.
It and play on your own, you know?
Give it up for President Vlog. And after a word from our sponsors, we'll have Daughter and Blitzen to get their take on the big night to come.
We need this in your days of Christmas. How fun is that? Santa's not here. mother-in-law Korean still fakes without the mother-in-law, guys. How fun is that? Haha. Did not think we'd have any sun today, but how nice is this? Like to be the sun. But a lot of sunlight. Oh my goodness. New Mexico? Wow. Wow. This tag is so far from home. Yeah, we can do it on that side. Alright, let's pack the car. Box is here, guys. I'm gonna open it. It's just a hard tool. Don't pay attention to that. Ha ha ha. Running out. So this is funny pack. I got another blood builder because I was totally running out. It's exciting. And of course I had to get some multivitamins. Always with iron. That's what I was doing for the day. Yeah, so 3. How fun is that? And a blood builder. Ha ha. Exciting, right? Let's open this guy. Make sure. I'm gonna need tablet. I like the fact that they do it this way. Like you gotta dig through them. So what I'm looking for is the expiration dates. 2024. And but these guys, you have to open them up. There's no actually anything. So each of these, you open them up and you find that little fun expiration date at the bottom. Because you need to make sure, never know. Especially when you're ordering in stock like I do. If you watched my whole video for this long, you're at the end of the video. Congratulations. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So the fun thing is last December, I was excited. I saw it. I had 5,000 subscribers and I was so happy and thankful for you guys. I did do a giveaway where I gave away 3 sets of hair care products. So this year I am only doing 1 giveaway. But guys, there's a reason for that. I'm doing a pretty big haul giveaway for you guys where there's going to be a lot of beauty and hair care products in it. And it's not just a hair care set. I'm going to show you guys all the pictures, videos, everything that I'm going to be giving you guys. It is a lot of things. What I did was picked out a lot of the things that I normally use on a regular basis and things that I've come to love a lot. So these are going to be things that I use a lot of the time, a few fun things. So if you decide, guys, you want this giveaway, I want you guys to first, of course, guys, you have to be subscribed to my channel and click that little notification bell so you know when I have new videos out, because I'm going to have videos out every day for December. You don't want to miss if there's something extra I'm doing on there. As well as make sure that you comment down below any comment, guys, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. So if you go ahead, guys, and leave a comment actually every day on the videos that I post, you're gonna get an extra chance to win, as well as you have to also make sure that you are following me on Instagram. And again, on Instagram, if you comment in the comment section, just tag a friend, it will give you an extra chance to win as well. So guys, if you go on my website as well, I have my website. There's gonna be all the rules, everything. Unfortunately, guys, I know I have fans all over the world. This contest is only open in the US. You do have to be in the US to win this, so make sure all my US subscribers that you do go ahead and enter to win. And if you haven't already, guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and make sure that you leave all of your comments down below. And don't forget to go over and watch my last video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching all my Vlogmas and other videos I'm going to be putting out.